port number you have to give? No. What's the mode of request? Get. What's the mode of request? Get. Any request parameter you want to pass, guys? No. I don't want to pass any request parameter. It's also saved or not there. Yeah. Sampler is HTTP request is added. Okay. Add the listeners to thread group. What, guys? Add the listeners to thread group 1. We need to think about how to add listeners to thread group or not there. Okay, that's good. Great. This is test plan 1, guys. Come on. Right click, add listener. Tell me. Add listener. View results tree. I want to see the result in the form of what? View results in table. Okay, view results in table. Okay, I'm just taking 1 as the name of that. Yes, taken. Number 1. What is that? 1 as that one. Test plan 01. Thread group 1. Next one. HTTP request 1. View results in table 1. View results in table. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Save it. So we have taken something, guys. Okay. So I need not to open the browser to test the website. Now through here only I'm testing. Test plan. Now we have to test it practically or not there. Okay, now let's see. Add listeners to the thread group. That's okay. There will be a run button, guys. What is there? Run. Run the project. Start the performance test. Menu bar. Run button or what? Play button. Here is what? Run button or play button. It's running, running, running. Maximum 20 requests you are giving. Come on. So after that, you want to see the result? Yes, you can see the result. Okay, 10 users. Okay, repeat for 2 times. 20 requests has come. All are successful or not there. That means it is able to take 20 requests in a given time or not there, guys. In a given time or not there, guys. Tell me. 15, 16, 16, 16, 17. Okay, 18. Okay, I think I said, you see user name. Yeah, this is 13111016. So these are the username are not there. These are username are not there, guys. Yeah. So each user can give how many requests? 2 requests. I asked to repeat twice. 3 came, 3 came. Do you see one more time 3 anywhere? No. 8 came. What is there? 8 came. 8 came. 8 only came once. 2 times. I'm not able to see. Yeah, one more time 8. It's coming or not coming? So that means whatever instruction I have given, it is acting as a simulator for that or not there. Okay, now come to thread group 1, guys. I want to start, okay, 1000. I don't want to repeat at all. You don't want to repeat at all. Save it, guys. Save it. Click on run button. Click on run button. Still things are going on. Still, because 1000 requests is a big count. Still things are what? Going on. You observe here, guys. 1000 by 1000 has come or not there. Right click on. You select this. In that one, some requests are failed. Some of them are successful. Come on. If I give 1,000 requests at a time, some problem has come or not there? Clear. This indicates what? Naresh IT website is not able to take 1,000 requests at a time or not there. It's not designed like that, what it can do. Click on it. Thousand by thousand. Where are the results, guys? Not executed properly. Yeah? Stop the previous one. Yeah, it is not able to take 1,000 requests, guys. Whenever I try to give 1,000 requests, we are getting error or not? Sir, why error? Are very simple, boss. These are internet maintained website. So from unknown person, unknown place, through simulator, if you give 1,000 requests at a time, some firewall mechanism comes into picture, it will block them. Some firewall mechanism comes into picture, they will be blocked, right? You try with 100 thread group. I'm taking what? Just 100. Save it, guys. Okay, right click. Where is this? Cleaner. Clear. I'm clearing the output, guys. Select this, run it. Select this, run it. See, when I give 100, we are getting success or not there? Yeah, that means firewall is not blocking the 100 up to some number. It is not blocking the request. Check it out. Same thing. When I give 1,000, I got the error from the first request onwards. But when I give 100, it is happily managing it or not there. So don't scold any website, guys. It's because of what? Firewall. Firewall setting that is enabled. So what about doing performance testing, guys? Generally, while doing performance testing of any application, that firewall effect will be removed and tested. Even firewall is there if you test, and that too giving 1,000 requests at a time, 5,000 requests at a time. Okay. It's going to give what? Error from request one itself. It's going to give what? Lot of errors from the request one itself. I hope you understood my statement, guys. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity here or not there? Everyone convinced with me or not there? Okay. See, open the listener and observe the report. Open the listener and observe the report. You might use a ramp up or similar approaches to avoid a spike at the test start. For example, configure thread group to have 100 threads and set ramp up period what? 0. 0 to something. Then all thread would have started at the same time and would have produced unwanted what? Spike. Unwanted spike on the load. On the top of that, if you set ramp up period too high, it might result in few threads being available at the very beginning to achieve what? To achieve required load. To achieve required load. To simply achieve what load, guys? Required load. So ramp up period. To our ramp up is useful to avoid the spike. Suppose I have given 10,000 as the thread group. 10,000 user. If all 10,000 users starts at a time, there's a chance of getting what? Spike behavior or not there. Precise through output time schedule execution randomly. So it can be used to generate what? Constant load and recommended to set ramp up period and delay to what? 0. If you use timer, ramp up period is optional, guys. But until you get that, it's better to take 1 hour other ramp up period. Because of that, all threads will not start at a time. They try to start having certain time delays. Due to this, spike situation can be avoided or not there. Add different types of listeners to see report in different format. Aggregate report, summary report. We have a lot of listeners we have or not there. You can add what? You can add, you can happily add any kind of what, guys? Yeah, you can add any kind of thing. Or right click, guys. Where is this? Clear. Add not sampler. Listener. Now, what is this? Summary report. Summary report one save. Summary report one save, guys. Summary report one save. You run the test, guys. Okay. It's giving aggregation now, boss. You look at this, clear this. Okay. You also clear this. Save up, guys. Test plan one, this. Test plan one, this. Summary report one, this. Okay. Now we are getting aggregation or not there, guys? Okay. Average this, min is this, max is this. Standard deviation, error percentage, no errors are there. It's not giving detail one, it is giving what? Summary kind of. You go to this, it's giving all the results one by one or not there. So we can get different types of results. Okay. So what I do is clear, here also clear. There's something called aggregate report, guys. What report? Yeah, aggregate report. Add, tell me. Add timer. Not timer, guys. Add listener. Aggregate report. That means average report. Summary means conclusion. Okay, aggregate report means average of all the values. You will get the average of all the values or not there. Save this. You will get the average of all the values. Yeah, tell me, guys. Okay, let's run this one. Select the project, run the project. Select the projects and what? Run the projects. Yeah, have a look. Sample report one, aggregate report one, view results report one. View results in table one, right? Yes. View results in table one, aggregate report one, summary report one. It's really taking place or not there? Say something, guys. Come on, everyone. Super. Okay, now, but you try to test some more thing called, I'll close it. I'll try to create a new project. New, another test plan has come. So this time I'll try to test google.com. So Google means I can give 1,000 requests also. Okay, but problem is what? These are already their internet and there are lot of security they enable. So they go for, if you try to give one, two requests, Google will take. 100 requests also it will manage. But more than 100 at a time means what, guys? You will get red marks. Some failure, some success not there. Completely they will fail. Because firewall identifies someone is trying to attack the website, let's stop. Because normally from the same use having everything of same 1,000 requests, 10,000 requests, 1 crore request will come at a time, generally will not be there. If coming means the firewall restriction will be there or not there. What we have seen in nareshit.com will also happen for what? Other things also, right? Yes. So what I do is test plan pros 2. Yeah, let us take our own applications. We have our own web applications now, boss. Yeah. So go to Eclipse IDE. What is there? Go to Eclipse IDE. Here we have some our own web application, if I am not wrong. Yeah, where is this? Meven Spring Boot Pros, Meven Web App. This is Meven web application now, boss. Right click, tell me, run on server, say next, say finish. Show current season name. What is there? Home. Here is what? Index.jsp. That's good. Here is index.jsp. Some web application is already there. Yeah, test project is ready. Tell me next one. Add threads. What is there? Thread group. Okay, thread group one. That's good. Thread group one. That's good. Number of threads is what? Number of threads is what? This ramp up period. So number of threads I am taking what? 10,100. Okay, 1,000 will take because it is a normal application. Okay, ramp up period. Okay, I'm not taking anything. Infinite loop. Do you want to repeat infinitely? Continuously, that should be repeated, right? Okay, where is that? Save. Okay, you want to get the report. Report means what? Listener. Yeah, view results. Not this, guys. View results table. Here is my what? Remove. Okay. Tell me. Listener, view results table. View results in table one. What is there? View results in what table? View results in table one. Yeah, we are taking this, guys. But we forgot to add sampler now, boss. Sampler, yeah, what do you want to add? HTTP request only. HTTP request one. Yeah, where is this? Save. What's the protocol you want to use? HTTP. If you don't give anything, default is what? HTTP. If you don't give anything, default is what? HTTP. What is the URL? Here is the URL. Here is the URL. Localhost 7070, all this stuff. Index.jsp. Yeah. In the path, I have to write everything. Here only localhost, protocol, mode of the request, and URL you have to write in the next line. Okay, that server is running on which port number, that relevant port number you have to give. Yeah, tell me guys, here only localhost. Port number is how much guys? Huh? 7171, huh? 79? I forgot, actually I forgot. 7799, right? What is that? 7799. Are you getting my point? Oh, 1 minute, Ra. Why are you taking tension? Path is get only. Where is this? Your path. This is the path now, boss. Slash Maven web application. This one. Slash Maven web application index.js. Okay. Save this. Simply what guys? Save this. Okay. It's been saved or not there? Super. HTTP request one. View results in what? Table one. What is there? View results in what? Table one. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. View results in table one. Test plan 02, thread group one, HTTP request one. View results in table one. All of them are saved, guys. Tell me here, where is this? Right click. Okay, that's good, good. Now you have to press the run button. We have to press the run button. Check it out. No errors at all. See, not failed. Not failed. It's a local website. Nothing will be stopped. And results will come continuously or not there. Okay, my theory and practical is matching or not matching. It's my local website, guys. Okay, it's my local website. See, Happy Lead is generating number of requests that are required or not required, I guess. It happily see its count is increasing. Are you noticing it? Am I getting any error though I have taken 1,000? But in internet website, I'm getting red mark. Why? Because they for security purpose, they go for what? Firewall support. For security purpose, they enable what? Firewall. But here so many things are coming or not there. Sampler time, duration is coming, status green, number of bytes, all are same request, na same thing. Sent bytes this, latency and what? Connection time. Okay, how much time it is having? It's maybe taking less than 0 seconds time for the this one. So we are getting that information nicely there or not there, guys. Okay, it's a local website, that's why not required. Okay, can we see some this result in a different other format, right? Okay, let's go to this place here. Where is this? Stop this. Infinite now you have to stop manually. Otherwise it will run continuously, right? It will run what? Continuously. It will definitely run what? Continuously. That's good. Right click, add. What's there? Right click, add. Right click, add. Right click, add. Threads, not this one. Listeners, you want to add. We want to test with the different listeners, right? Listener. Okay, listener. Aggregate gap, assertion result. Okay, response time in graph. Response time in graph. Only response time I want to get in a graph, guys, right? Okay, save responses to file. I want to save all the responses to file. Okay, aggregate graph. Graph will come representing aggregate results, guys. Okay. Graph results. I'm taking this one as what? Graph result. So the result is going to come in the form of what? Graph format. Graph to display data you want to display, average values you want to display, medium value, deviation value through output. So various like this, various things are there or not there. Graph results one. Save it. Yeah, you want to display only errors or only success, or you want to get all the, you want to get both. Yes, I want to get the both. That's why I have selected, right? Yeah. Tell me now. Graph results one. You have to go for run option here. See, you have to go for run option over there or not there. It's looking like a blurred image, but every line represents what? One information. Every line represents what? One information. Now you want to get only average information, guys. You want to get only what? Average information. Only average values are coming or not there. It's not for one request, it's a for 1,000 requests. Okay, fine, leave it. Stop these guys. You go to thread group one. You go to what? Thread group one slash Maven web app slash index.jsp HTTP request one. Okay, go to thread group one, guys. You just take 10 requests. Then we can fill the graph nicely. Yeah, how many? Okay, I don't want infinite time. Infinite time means I want repeat only for one time. I don't want infinite time. That means I want repeat only for what? One time. Saved or not there, guys? Yeah, select this one, click on it. Acha, 1 minute. I have to clear existing one first. Again, we are running, guys. Graph results. What results? Graph results. 6 seconds. What's happening? With checkbox. Acha, more checkboxes, more data will come up. Yeah, more checkboxes, more data will come. Where is the save option? Yeah, here is the save option. They are coming only 3-4 requests now. Accordingly, the graphic is coming there or not there. 1 minute. There is a chance of getting other graphs also. There's a chance of getting other graph, not these pie charts, guys. Configure. Save XML ideal. What are the things you want to save? That entire list you can pass now, boss. What are the information it wants to save? That entire list you can pass it or not there. Okay, there is a possibility of selecting different types of charts also. Pie chart, bar chart, we have cylinder chart. Okay, there are different types of charts are there now, boss. All those charts can be selected. All those charts can be selected. Okay. So that means what? There's a possibility of getting charts are not there, guys. So summary report means only summary information. Aggregate means only aggregation of the current data will be there. Okay, view results in table means and all the results one by one will come in the form of what table. Just think about lot of processes simplified here are not there. Basically, we are not arranging multiple browsers, multiple users on it. But still we are able to test the application by having what? Multiple users are not there, guys. By simply literally having multiple users are not there, guys. Convinced with me or not there, guys? Come on, everyone. Got the point, my dear? Okay. Here is what clear chart. Here is what clear chart. Chart is now not there. Actually, there is a possibility of configuring x-axis, y-axis, all this stuff. Where I am not able to see that, I don't know why. Configure, sample request and other stuff, guys. So what you want to save idle time? What are the things you want to save? This is horizontal one. Okay, number of samples and other stuff. Okay. First one, this kind of thing. Clear, guys. It's been clear through output, all this stuff. There's actually possibility to select the pie chart and other things. Maybe in this listener not there. Okay, let me try with another listener. Add listener. Okay, aggregate graph, graph result, aggregate graph, response time graph. Okay, what guys? Response time graph. Response time graph one. Okay, that's good. You want to save this? No. Okay. Okay, response time for graph, guys. Okay, are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Super. Fine. Sampler label location. That's okay. Graph title. What is this? Response. What is there? Response time. That's good. Font, all this stuff. Stroke with okay, circle. Dynamic graph size, width how much, height how much. Yeah, here what is there? X-axis, Y-axis. Time format, X-axis. Scale value. Okay, X-axis content and Y-axis content. In Y-axis, it's coming on time, my dear. Scale value, increment. Okay, scale value, increment scale. Increment scale means how to graph it. Okay, shown number grouping, fonts, legends and other fonts we are playing with that, right? Yes, okay, this one. Graph settings, apply interval, okay. Interval in milliseconds. Millisecond means at what time this kind of thing should come. Yeah, now I think number of requests are how many, guys? Okay, let's take 100. Number of requests are how many I'm taking, guys? 100. Okay, click on play button. Click on play button. Okay, let's click on graph area. Unable to graph, not enough data. Not enough data. Okay, maybe this number of requests are less. Huh? Number of requests are less, but if it's less also it should allow me, no boss. Yeah, unable to open the graph, not enough data. 1 minute. Clear this. No values to graph. What is there? No values to graph. All the default things are selecting apply intervals. That's okay. Sampler selection. What is there? Sampler selection, label selection. Okay. Graph. What is that? Response graph. Response graph. Graph title. This one. Okay. This one. Stroke with 3.0. Line settings, graph. Okay, dynamic graph size. Dynamic graph size. Okay, dynamic graph means it will decide how much width and how much height. Okay, x-axis, that's okay. Y-axis in milliseconds. Scale maximum value. Some 10,000. Increment scale, some 10. Okay. Increment scale, some 10. Followed by this what, guys? Placement bottom. Font is this, scale is this, style is what? Normal. It's been saved or not there, guys? It's been saved. Yeah, right click, clear the things. Test plan, click on button. Test plan, click on button. What else I need, Ra Babu? I need errors success. Okay, save the graph. Save the graph this. What else data is looking for? Display graph. What is there? Unable to graph, not enough data. Fine. 1 minute. It is testing our question. Okay, thread group. What I do is thread group 1000, 10,000, and I'm keeping it as what? Info. 10,000, and I'm keeping it as what? I'm definitely keeping it as what? Infinite. Are you getting my point there or not there? Super, guys. Okay, guys. That look is like that. Screen is like this. Is it visible? Not visible? No option. No option. No. Call that mean. I maybe accept the switching off the light. I cannot do anything. No. Someone said other day brightness is more. Today brightness is less. What should I do? Light off, light off may work out, right? Light off may work out. Online student, online student, for you also problem, huh? Please change the background color. It's a standard, it's not my background. It's desktop help. Some who will check all these things right now? Colors, settings. Here, any option? Help, no. Options. Zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Already it's a logo begin. Log viewer, log file viewer, log messages you want to see, you can see. Log messages you can see. Look and feel, look and feel. That this is okay. This is okay now, guys. I think I can get the better. No, this is bad, Ra. Yeah, it's saying that you have to restart the JMeter once. You have to restart the JMeter once. Now I restarted JMeter. Okay. File, what is there? Open. File open. Not in bin directory, guys. Not in bin directory. JMeter soft. Where is this? Practicals. JMeter soft. I think 4 or 5. 501. Only one project is. Second one is not saved. Not saved. I think I saved. Bin directory. Is there any 501? Oh, I lost it up. Fine, no problem. We'll create it very fastly. We create it. I think now is visible now. Still not visible. Go to doctor. Test pros 02, right? Yeah. Save it, guys. Where is this? JMeter 3 practicals. JMeter soft practicals. Tell me here. 501. What is there? 501. This. Test pros 02. What is there? Test pros 02. Add. Okay. Test pros 02. Where is this, guys? Thread group. Where is that? Thread group 1. Thread group 1. How many users you want to take? 10. I'm making infinite, right? Okay. Same user on each iteration. No. I want to have different users in different iterations. That's up to you. Whatever you want, you can do. That's not a big issue. Yeah, tell me, guys. Total look is changed now all of a sudden. Add. Where is the listener? Which listener? Response time graph. Okay. Response time graph. Okay, that's good. File name. File name. Response time graph one. Okay. RTG. What is there? RTG. What's there, guys? RTG. Settings is there. Display graph is there. Save graph. Okay, I'm saving that. No values to graph. Maybe I have to run it, then you will get it. I would run it this one. Sample label selection. Case sensitive and regular expressions. Okay. No. 1 minute. That is not required. Apply interval. I'll make it 1000. 1 second. Graph title. Response report. What report, guys? Response report. Dynamic graph size. Time format. X-axis what? Time format. Y-axis. Okay. Scale minimum value. Okay. Some minimum value 1. Increment scale. Increment scale by 1. Yeah. Legend. It is asking for this one. Save this, guys. Save graph, guys. Yeah. Width, height, everything we are deciding are not there. Yeah. Click on it. Select it. Select it. Click on this. The artist already exists. Do you want to know? Note you can avoid this pop-up by property this. Okay. Override the existing file. Actually, we have not added request. Sorry then. Under thread group, you have to add request now, my dear. Nothing but sampler you should add or not there. Okay, that's good. Tell me, right click. What is there? Sampler. What is there? HTTP request. What's the protocol, guys? HTTP. What's the host name? Local host. What's the port number? 7799. Get path. What is their path? Slash maven app index.js. Index.jsp, right? Redirect automatically, flow redirects, all this stuff. Parameters not there, body data not there, files upload, file uploading is there or not there. Save this one. Save this one. Response time graph one. What is there, guys? Response time graph. I think all are set. Now you run it. Override existing file. Okay, that's good. Okay, tell me here. Graph. What is there? Graph. Parameters are coming, guys. But where is the graph feeling? Where is the graph feeling? HTTP request one, that's good. But I should only errors? No, only success. Okay. Settings. What is missing? We have given so many requests, Arna, my dear. Display. Array, this one, minimum to scale. Placement bottom. What is there? Legend placement bottom, top. Font, normal. I want in bold letters. Where is that display, guys? Yeah, this one, dynamic graph size. I don't want to display where I'm seeing display graph. There's a display graph only. Data is coming. Now, see, some time zones are coming over there or not there. Okay, now stop this one, guys. Stop this one, guys. Clear all the graph data, my dear. Come on. Clear all the graph data. Interval is what? Every 10 seconds it has to come. Every 10 seconds it has to come. Tell me next one. Okay, select this. Click on it. Override existing file or append to existing file, whatever it is. Response graph, display graph. Response graph, what? Display graph. I'm not able to feel. Yeah, see, the time zone is coming as expected. So when you select 10 lakh every 1 minute, what millisecond response milliseconds? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's clear. It's been clear. Tell me, x-axis means this. Okay, that's good. Y-axis milliseconds. Y-axis millisecond. Y-axis millisecond. There is nothing but response milliseconds, guys. What is? Okay, 1 minute Y-axis millisecond. Shall we take some number here? Increment the scale, some 10. Increment the scale, some 10. Save it. It's been saved. Select the project, click on run. Override existing file. Override existing file. Come to this. Okay. Display graph. Not enough data. When I see those some lines have come this time. Some parameters are coming over there or not there. Some lines and parameters. 1 minute. Okay. Stop this, guys. Stop. Wait. We'll make it more nice one. Response report. Font, all this thing. Time is the x-axis. Y-axis is what? This. Okay, here gap, apply interval. How much gap you want to give? Okay, in millisecond. That means what? 1000 means 1 second. For every 1 second. It is in ms. Ms means what? Millisecond. 1 second. And next one, line stroke, 3 point, shape point. Okay, some diamond. I'll try to take it as what? Diamond. Okay, that's good. Oh, I don't want any number grouping, guys. Okay. Yeah, select this, plan this. Override existing file. Override what? Existing file. That's good. Here is my one, guys, display graph. Display graph, and lot of time frames related information is coming or not there. But yeah, so much data is there. That's why it is giving in what? Zigzag format. That's why it is giving in what? Zigzag format. Is there any other option of changing this? Dynamic path 30. Okay, what is there? 50. IT is 50. Save this. What is there? Display graph. Yeah, this width height 30 is very, very less. Okay. I understood. I understood. This width is very, very less, it seems, right? So it'll go for sizes we don't want to touch. Let's it decide dynamically. This is my graph tab. Check it out, guys. Where 30, 40, 50 for every, I think 10 seconds, it is showing something is there or not there. And it is also specifying the response time. Like this, we have a lot of reports, guys. We can have different types of what? Reports. Okay. Fine. Let it be, guys. Okay. So now the time has come to think about timers, boss. What is there? To think about what? Timers. The timers in JMeter are useful to provide gap between what? Request. Indirectly scheduling the request. Indirectly scheduling the request. The available timers are, what is there? Constant timer, uniform random timers, precise through output timer. We have a lot of timers over there or not there. Super. We can apply timers at regular intervals and also at a thread group level. The timer applied at thread group level will be applied for what? All the requests of the group. So timers, how to maintain the gap. Okay, now I don't want to disturb the existing project. Let's take a new project. Let's take a new project. Tell me. New, save. Yeah, test plan. Pros, how much, guys? Test plan, pros 3. Save it. Test plan, pros 3. Add thread group having what? User count 1. Having thread group having user count 1. Okay. Thread group 1. User count is what? 1. Just follow this. Add 3 requests pointing to same URL. Try to add same 3 requests pointing to same URL. That means one user is giving 3 requests or not there. Okay, add 3 requests pointing to same URL. Let's see first, let me focus on this. Right click, new sampler, HTTP request 1. Yeah, this is done. Okay, I will take my own website only, HTTP, localhost. Port number is how much? 7711. Here is my what, guys? Get. This is going to be my get mode request or not there. What is our web application, guys? This is our slash. Yeah, get in this. Save this. Next, what is next? Add sampler HTTP request to. Add sampler HTTP request to. Tell me now here. What is there? HTTP localhost. What's the port number? 7799. What is there? Slash Maven web app. Slash Maven web app. Where is this? Index.jsp. What.jsp? Index.jsp. Right click, add HTTP request. Tell 3 guys. Tell me, where is this? HTTP. What is there? Localhost. Port number 7799 slash Maven web app slash index.jsp. Slash index.jsp. Save. Slash what? Index.jsp. So 3 requests, 1 user generating 3 requests. But I want to have a time gap. Okay, na? Add constant timer at a thread group level having timer value 5000 millisecond. 5000 millisecond means 5 seconds again. So this one user should generate what? 3 requests having 3 seconds time gap. Or if you want to create spike, this one flood request, or we have different things now. So you have to maintain this time gap or not there, guys. Constant means all the time same time gap. All the time same time gap. First between first and second, how much time gap is there? Second also same thing. Thread grab, guys. New. Tell me here. Where is this? Timer, guys. Tell me. Constant timer, guys. Constant timer one. Thread delay. How much? 5000. Okay, that's the default one. 5000. Save this. Thread delay. This is what? 5000. Okay, that's good. Yeah, come to this, guys. Come to this. Click on this, guys. Oh, report is not seen. Fine. We have to see the report also now, guys. Shutting down all the things. So it's better to have one report also, my dear. Add. Where is this? Listener. View results table. View results in table. View results in table was save this. View results in what table? Okay. Clear this, clear. Test plan pros 3. What is there? Test plan pros 3. Right. Test plan pros 3. Here you see the report, guys. See, one user generating 3 requests, but there will be 5 seconds time gap. Look at the time gap, 590409. Only the time gap is maintained or not, guys? The time gap is maintained or not there, guys? Understood my statement, guys? Come on. Okay. So now go to thread group, guys. Only one user only taken, but infinite times it should be repeated. How many times, guys? Infinite time it should be repeated. Okay, first let me clear this. It's been clear. It's been clear. Add listener. Where is this? Add listener. Okay, summary report also, because multiple requests are there now, guys. I'm also taking summary report. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now let's see. Select this, run this. Select this, run this. Timer. Now, because of timer, the request won't go back to back. Request will have some time gap or not there. See, 11, 16, 21, 26, then 31. That means the time gap is maintained nicely or not there. The time gap is fixed. That's why it is named as what? Constant. Look at the summary report. For each request, summary is coming. HTTP, how many requests? 3, 2, 2. And summary is coming or not there. Average. Min is what? This. Max is what? 7. Standard, this one. Error percentage not there. Throughout time, this one. Received how many bytes? Sent how many bytes? Everything is coming as the average or not there. Not in detailed one. It is giving as what? Average. Not in detailed one. It is giving as what? Average. Are you getting my point there or not there? Got the clarity or not there, guys? Request 1, request 2. What is next? Request 3. Total how many requests are given? Request 1, request 2, request 3. That's good. Okay, now, but I don't want to have time gap like this. Array, see, when you want, see, time gap like this means what? Scalability kind of test can happen, right? But I want to go for spike test kind of thing, uneven, sometime extra, sometime less. So better to have this time gap as a random this one or not there. Okay, now I removed, okay, I removed this timer with cut is possible or remove. I am removing this timer, guys. In this place, I'm trying to take add. What is there? Timer. What's the timer I want to have? Precise throughout timer, constant timer, uniform random timer. What timer, guys? Uniform random timer. Random delay maximum. Okay. Yeah, okay. Max. How much match gap? It's not compulsory that one. Okay, 20,000 millisecond. Constant delay, fixed delay and random delay. Constant delay is 2000. Here 20,000 max random number. But minimum delay that should be 2. But in between 2 to 20, any delay can be there. Any delay can be there. Save this. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, clear this. Clear this. Everything is clear there or not there? Clear this, clear this. Tell me, next one, tell me. Test plan pros 03. Test plan pros 03. Runtime. What's there, guys? Runtime. View results in table. Check it out. The time gap will be random time gap, guys. Minimum 2, maximum 20 time gap will be there or not there. Minimum to maximum 20 kind of time gap will be there. Minimum to maximum 20, any number. So first time only it is taking a big number, right? Okay, then how much it is taken? 37, 23, 37, 59, 22, but I have taken max of 20, na? Okay, let's see. Next one. This time, I think not that. You have to look at this. These are seconds only, na? 15 and this one 15. Okay, this time 24. Some less gap is there, right? Some less gap is there. So it's taking random things are not there. It is taking random things are not there. Did I select infinite or not selected? Infinite. Infinite means more things will come, guys. Don't worry. Infinite means definitely more things will come. What is the use of these timers? Because of these timers only, not just performance test, spike test, endurance test. To create such situation, it is required or not required? Yeah. So this time it has taken how much, guys? 410108. Say this one, 8 seconds only, 8 seconds gap only it has taken, right? Yeah. Like this, we can add different timers to this one or not there. Okay, run the application. You can see that. Okay, maximum random delay maximum in millisecond 10,000. Constant delay offset. But no one is having less than. See, observe very carefully. Nowhere we are having less than 2 seconds gap. Why? Because minimum I have selected that. Minimum I have selected that, right? Okay, now let's see. Testing the web application URL that needs to pass request parameter values. What values, guys? Request parameter values. Okay, I'm trying this time with the google.com, right? How to pass request parameter values. Let's see that. Okay, this is the timer one. Leave it. 501. Save this. New. Saved, na? Yeah, that is not stop. Let me stop it. Yeah, file. Where is this, guys? New. File new. Tell me. Test plan. Pros. How much? 04. Test plan plus 04. Save this. Save this. Practicals. Okay, let me keep the wording 50. Yeah. Thread group. I want to use some. I want to use this one. I just want to take 10 threads, otherwise 5 users only. Not infinite. I want to repeat only for one time. Yeah, immediately I don't want to have before some gap I want to give, some 10 seconds gap I want. The moon tested, I don't want to give the button. Slowly I want to start it. Okay, that's good. Under thread group, you have to think about HTTP request. Tell me, HTTP request one. HTTP. Tell me next one. Yeah, google.com. Port number, all these are optional, guys. Okay, google.com /search. What is there? /search. Array, search is the one path of the component. This. Okay. Now, if you observe very carefully, you go to google.com. Okay, how are you? I searched for something. Q has become, Q is coming there or not? If any space is there, they are replaced with the plus symbol or not? They are replaced with the plus symbol or not there, guys? Okay, if you want to pass request parameter, you can pass like this. You can add. What is there? Add. What is the name of request parameter? Q. What's the value of request parameter? What is the value? Okay, let me search for Natraz plus sir. Something. Space I am taking as this. It's been added or not there, guys? Text / plain URL encode, all this stuff. Save this. So I have taken request with what? URL. Tell me next one. Thread group. Sampler is added. What is there? Listener, guys. Where is there? Listener. View results in table. What is there? View results in table. Test plan 04. What's there, guys? Test plan 04. That's good. Tell me next one. What is the story to follow, guys? Test plan 04. Browse all this stuff. HTTP request one. View results in what? Table, guys. View results in what? Table, guys. Yeah. Tell me what is the story that we have to follow, guys? Yeah, we have to click on this. We have to click on this. Yeah, still we are getting results. Still we are getting results. I just asked for 5 users. They are coming or not there, guys. That means it is able to send query string also, not just plain URLs, boss. If you want, you can send data along with the request. That too in different modes you can send. If you want to pass anything along with the request body, you can also pass. It supports everything that you want, right? Yes. Okay, now here what is there? Aggregate graph is the graph I have to take. That is working nice. Aggregate, but I tried different graph, guys. See, nice graph is coming there or not there. Aggregate graph, but I tried another listener. What is there? Response graph. Response graph is only lines, guys. Response graph is what? Only lines. But when it comes to this, at what millisecond, what is the story? At what millisecond, what is the story? You have to use this. Okay, can I try this one, boss? Let's try this. I think already done, guys. Thread group, tell me. Listener, our aggregate graph, sure, boss. Aggregate graph. Okay. Aggregate graph. Wow. What are the things you want? Only average, huh? It will give only average. 90% is one min and max. So these are the discussion. If you want, you can change the colors and other thing. Okay. Average graph. What graph, guys? Average graph. Average graph. Max length of y-axis label. Max length of scale min value. Okay, this is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, max length of what? Axis label. Okay, 10 I want to. Okay, 20 I want to allow. Next, scale minimum value. Some 10 I am taking. Okay, what you want to scale is minimum 10 value. Average graph. Column label selection. Okay, not required. Save the data, save the graph, display graph. Yeah, no values because you have to run the application now, boss. First to save it. Then we have to what? Run the application, right? Yes. We have to run the application. Okay. Let's concentrating on running the project, guys. This display graph. So we are getting some report over there or not there. Millisecond, 500 millisecond, this. Okay, HTTP request one. That related information is coming or not there. Fine, all min value, max value, all this stuff is coming, right? Yes. Okay, come to this. Let's look at the FAQs related to that. Very simple one, guys. What is the need of performance testing to evaluate the performance of the application? Explain different flavors of performance testing: load test, spike test, stress test, endurance test, etc. List out different performance testing tools. List out various terminologies related to JMeter project creation, test plan, thread group, sampler, listener, timer. List out various sampler, list out various listeners, list out various timers. How exactly performance test is useful in what? Real projects. What is the ramp up period while creating what? Threads. What are the different options that are there to graph? To graph reports in JMeter, okay na? To display graph, reports. To display graph reports in what? JMeter. To display reports in what? JMeter. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yes, that's good. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see what we can do. Let me upload this document, then we'll. So with this, what we completed? JMeter. Yeah. Yeah. Tomorrow onwards, we will be having sessions on Gradle. What is there? Yeah, we'll see. In recent versions of Eclipse, Gradle is giving few problems. If those problems are not, Gradle. Otherwise, first we'll complete other tools. Lastly, we'll take up the Gradle, right? Okay, Gradle means you should have a good knowledge of Maven so that learning Gradle becomes easy. Yeah, tell me, this is there. DevSecApps 5 p.m. Tell me, boss. Yeah, JMeter, guys. Right click, file upload, class content, tools CFS 501. Tell me. JMeter, guys. Session 2 open. Session 2 open. Are you comfortable, my dear, or not there? You are brighter than light. Is a biscuit a cream biscuit? I don't like both. Cream biscuit or okay. Fine, leave it. Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice